Introducing the new wave in networking, Network Lead Exchange. The first networking group of its kind, Network Lead Exchange offers entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals integrated groups that allow leads to be received and passed seamlessly and entirely online. Network Lead Exchange introduces cohesive, integrated networking chapters that work for and with working professionals, says Network Lead Exchange President Scott Mast. Say goodbye to the constraints and restrictions of traditional networking and say hello to the future of lead generation. To learn more about Network Lead Exchange and the growth opportunities that await you, call 561-812-6058 or visit www.networkleadexchange.com today.